Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on YouTube's dark mode or dark theme on Windows 10. Turning on dark mode or dark theme on any application is going to help you conserve battery life when you're on a mobile device or a laptop. It will also be better on the eyes because the dark themes produce less blue light than the light themes. Okay, so what you want to do is go over to your icon on the top right, left click that. Now you want to scroll down to where it says Appearance, Device Theme, and left click on it. Now you have the option to select between Use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. Let's select Dark Theme. Okay, and YouTube will reload the page in the dark theme. And congratulations, you have successfully enabled dark screen mode on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.